Today's just been one of those days where I've been so busy I haven't prepared any smoothies or anything, and I'm wanting to go to the gym, so I need to eat. So I'm just making a really quick healthy snack. So I'm starting with heating up some black bean spaghetti noodles. So I've already pre-boiled the water. That takes about 6 minutes, I think it says. 6 minutes. And that'll be ready. Meanwhile, I'm going to pop some sauerkraut and a pack of this. This is a very quick, this is kind of like a junk food kind of snack when you don't have, it's not really junk food, but just a quick vegan meal when you're on the run. Avos are going in. Just going to scoop it in. One. This is my favourite flavour at the moment, curry. Good curry, just like that. And I'm going to mix that through, sort of squishing up the avos. Oops. Mix that through. A few leftover lentils in the fridge. In they go. Yay. Yummy! Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.